Welcome to Purexy, your ultimate guide to a healthy and vibrant life. We're thrilled to have you join our community of health enthusiasts. At Purexy, we believe that health is more than just a goal, it's a way of life, where we explore the latest research, practical tips that will empower you on your wellness journey. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. When it comes to maintaining healthy teeth and gums, from boosting oral health to preventing dental issues, what you eat plays a crucial role. In this video, we'll explore 7 must-eat foods that can help you achieve stunning teeth and gums. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support a beautiful smile. Get ready to discover the power of nutrition for your dental well-being. 1. Kiwi. Kiwi, with its vibrant green flesh and tangy flavor, offers a host of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. This small but mighty fruit is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to optimal dental health. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in promoting healthy gums. Vitamin C supports collagen production, a protein that helps maintain the integrity and strength of gum tissues. By ensuring your gums are healthy, you reduce the risk of gum disease and promote overall oral health. The high vitamin C content in kiwi also helps in reducing inflammation and strengthening blood vessels, contributing to healthy gum tissue and preventing bleeding gums. Kiwi contains natural enzymes that aid in breaking down plaque and preventing the buildup of tartar on the teeth. This helps maintain a clean and healthy mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Furthermore, kiwi is a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes proper digestion and contributes to overall well-being. Adequate fiber intake can help prevent constipation, a condition that can negatively impact oral health. Additionally, kiwi is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds support gum health and contribute to maintaining healthy oral tissues. 2. Water. Water, the elixir of life, offers a wide array of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. While often overlooked, this simple and essential beverage plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal dental health. Hydration is key when it comes to oral health, and water is the best way to stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps ensure that your mouth stays moist and saliva production remains optimal. Saliva plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy oral environment by washing away food particles, neutralizing acids, and providing minerals that aid in tooth remineralization. Water is calorie-free and does not contain any sugars or acids that can harm your teeth. By choosing water as your main beverage, you minimize the risk of tooth decay and cavities compared to sugary drinks like soda, juice, or sports drinks. Drinking water throughout the day helps rinse your mouth and wash away bacteria and food particles that can lead to bad breath. It promotes a fresh and clean feeling in your mouth, contributing to overall oral hygiene. Drinking water with fluoride can provide an added benefit for your dental health. Fluoride helps strengthen tooth enamel, making your teeth more resistant to acid attacks and cavities. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water or follow the recommended daily intake guidelines in your region. 3. Onions. Onions, known for their distinct flavor and pungent aroma, provide a range of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. While they may make you shed a tear during preparation, their positive impact on oral health is worth celebrating. The sulfur compounds present in onions contribute to their antibacterial effects. These compounds can help neutralize oral bacteria that cause bad breath, promoting fresher breath and improved oral hygiene. Onions are rich in vitamin C, which supports gum health and collagen production. Healthy gums are essential for maintaining strong teeth and preventing gum disease. Additionally, onions contain natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the gums and other oral tissues. By reducing inflammation, onions contribute to a healthier mouth and lower the risk of gum problems. Chewing onions stimulates saliva production, which aids in maintaining a healthy oral environment. Saliva helps neutralize acids, wash away food particles, and promote remineralization of tooth enamel. Onions also contain flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These compounds contribute to overall oral health and may offer protection against certain oral diseases. 4. Green tea. Green tea, with its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits, offers a range of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. This popular beverage is known for its rich content of antioxidants and other bioactive compounds that promote optimal dental health. The polyphenols found in green tea have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce gum inflammation and promote healthier gums. By reducing inflammation, green tea may contribute to the prevention of periodontal disease and the maintenance of strong teeth and gums. Moreover, green tea has been found to inhibit the production of certain enzymes that contribute to the formation of dental plaque. By reducing plaque buildup, green tea can help protect against cavities and gum disease. Green tea also contains fluoride, a mineral that strengthens tooth enamel and helps protect against tooth decay. Regular consumption of green tea can provide a natural source of fluoride to support dental health. Additionally, green tea can help combat bad breath. The catechins in green tea have been shown to suppress the growth of bacteria that cause oral malodor, providing a fresh and clean feeling in the mouth. To enjoy the dental benefits of green tea, it is recommended to consume it without adding sugar or sweeteners, as these can contribute to dental problems. Drinking freshly brewed green tea or opting for unsweetened varieties can maximize its oral health benefits. 5. Salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon and other fatty fish, such as mackerel and sardines, offer a plethora of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids can help reduce gum inflammation and support overall gum health. The anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3 fatty acids can also help alleviate symptoms of gum disease, such as redness, swelling, and tenderness. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining strong tooth enamel. These healthy fats help strengthen tooth structure and can contribute to a lower risk of tooth decay and cavities. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids support optimal oral health by promoting saliva production. Adequate saliva flow helps neutralize acids, wash away food particles, and provide minerals that aid in tooth remineralization. Salmon and fatty fish are excellent sources of vitamin D, a nutrient crucial for oral health. Vitamin D plays a role in calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong teeth and bones. Consuming salmon and fatty fish can also help combat dry mouth, a condition that can lead to bad breath and an increased risk of dental issues. The healthy fats in these fish contribute to moisture production in the mouth, reducing the occurrence of dry mouth symptoms. 6. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, offer a range of benefits for achieving stunning teeth and gums. These calcium-rich foods are not only delicious but also play a significant role in maintaining optimal dental health. Dairy products also contain phosphorus, another mineral that plays a crucial role in dental health. Phosphorus works synergistically with calcium to strengthen tooth enamel, making your teeth more resistant to acid attacks and cavities. Moreover, dairy products provide a natural source of casein, a protein that helps protect and repair tooth enamel. Casein forms a protective layer on the teeth, reducing the risk of tooth erosion and promoting enamel remineralization. The probiotics present in certain dairy products, like yogurt, can contribute to a healthy balance of oral bacteria. These beneficial bacteria help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease, bad breath, and tooth decay. Dairy products also stimulate saliva production, which is essential for maintaining a healthy oral environment. Saliva helps neutralize acids, wash away food particles, and provide minerals that aid in tooth remineralization. 7. Oranges and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, are rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy gums. Vitamin C supports collagen production, a protein that helps keep gum tissues strong and resilient. By ensuring your gums are healthy, you reduce the risk of gum disease and promote overall oral health. The high vitamin C content in citrus fruits also contributes to wound healing, including gum injuries or bleeding. Vitamin C helps support the immune system, which plays a crucial role in the body's ability to repair damaged gum tissue. Additionally, citrus fruits contain natural acids, such as citric acid, which can stimulate saliva production. Increased saliva flow helps neutralize acids in the mouth, wash away food particles, and provide minerals that aid in tooth remineralization. Adequate saliva production is crucial for maintaining a healthy oral environment and preventing tooth decay. Furthermore, citrus fruits are a good source of fiber, which can help stimulate saliva production and promote good oral hygiene. Increased saliva flow assists in flushing out bacteria and maintaining a cleaner mouth. It's important to note that while citrus fruits offer dental benefits, the high acidity levels in these fruits can erode tooth enamel if consumed excessively or in high amounts. It's recommended to enjoy citrus fruits as part of a balanced diet and rinse your mouth with water afterward to minimize the impact of acid on your teeth. In conclusion, by incorporating these 7 must-eat foods into your diet, you can nourish your teeth and gums from the inside out. Embrace the power of nutrition and discover how these foods can contribute to a stunning smile and excellent oral health. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.